alive and well, alive and well. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I know it's been 2 months, but I am back and I hope that you are still here waiting. I have a list of things that I want to go over in this video, but this is basically just like a catching up video for you guys on YouTube. I know a lot of you come from Instagram, so it doesn't feel like I left anywhere. TikTok, they definitely felt like I left as well. And if you are coming from YouTube, then yeah, you probably feel like I did leave you guys and disappear. But yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about here, I have a little list here in my old planner. So the first thing I want to talk about is age. I am 27 now. My birthday was on July 9th. I just felt like a lot of changes coming around this age, like mentally, maturity wise, and then a lot to do with just like the way that I saw my life. Like I was feeling a little bit more responsible and more in control of where I wanted my life to be. So yeah, I think I've come of age again with turning 27, so it's a good thing. And a lot of the stuff that I want to improve on and stuff like that, it includes you guys as well. It includes YouTube, it includes TikTok, it includes Instagram. So I'm excited for you guys to see the changes. And it's not like I'm removing anything. There's nothing being removed. It's more like things are being implemented. So yeah. So the same day that I had my birthday, I also had 3 other things happen. So along with my birthday on July 9th, it was also my 8th year of learning / speaking Korean. So 8 years I've been in this Korean game. That's crazy. 8 years. I don't know how I'm supposed to say it now, like, oh, it's been 8 years since I've been learning Korean, but I can't say, oh, I've been speaking Korean for 8 years, because that's a lie. So I don't know what to say. Do I just keep saying I've been 8 years of learning, knowing Korean? Or how would you guys say it? How would you guys say it? So let me know that, because that just sounds like too much to say. I've been learning speaking Korean for 8 years. So yeah, my birthday, my 8-year anniversary with Korean. And so July 9th is also BTS Army Day. So happy birthday, Army. And then for the 4th thing, it was my 8th year being in Army. So it was my 8th year of being a BTS Army. So those 4 things all happened on my birthday. It makes it really special when it all happened on my birthday. It made my birthdays that much more special. So I really like that. Then coming up on July 10th, I also had my debut album anniversary. So it's been 1 year since I released that project. I thought that would be really cool to mention. Next up on the list is Stagehand implementation. So recently I shared a post, and I'll share it with you guys here. I'll go ahead and read it for you guys. So yeah, the changes aren't gonna be major. It's just we're just expanding a couple feet, you know. with the little fangirl side of me, specifically with the music that I like. You know, there's a bunch of music I like. I could listen to pretty much anything, but what I'm talking about is like my fangirl side for Spirit Box, Sisters of Mercy, and then K-pop with BTS and Meow. So yeah. Oh, that leads me to my next thing. So my next thing is, oh, before I get into that, I just want to just finish that up with, that is the implementation. So languages are still going to be part of my niche. That's forever my priority niche, the niche that I am going to be known for and everything. I just want to be able to talk about other things in my life outside of languages as well on my accounts. So if you're the person that's wondering how can I get so much done, how can I do so much with my languages, you're going to be able to see how my outside of my languages, the life outside of my languages works and stuff like that, for me to be able to do that stuff. So that's the really cool part about it, is you get to see behind the scenes of the studying, like the things, you get to see the bigger picture basically. So I'm excited about that. Those changes will start happening immediately. Since I've now made the formal post for Instagram in here, it's just gonna happen. But yeah, so after that, I have my work promotion. So I'm not gonna talk too much about this, but I am gonna say that I asked for a little promotion basically at work, and I got it. So that's exciting. Work promotion, that was pretty cool. So excited. I love what I do. And after that, I have YouTube change, but I already shared that with you guys. So as I'm editing the video, I don't think I did a good job at explaining specifically what changes are going to come for YouTube. So basically this will just look like more videos that are outside of languages, and has to pertain to like fangirl stuff, you know, like with BTS or Meow or Spirit Box, you know, my musical fangirl side. And then it also has to do with you'll see more self-care videos. And with self-care, it's like lifestyle, but it's more pertaining to things that improve your daily life, like habits and routines that improve your daily life. So videos like 10 things I do to wake up early in the morning. I don't know, just shooting something out. My skincare routine in the morning. What my routine looks like at night. Stuff like that. But I'm really just throwing out random things. But you get the gist of what I'm saying. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that really quick. Yeah. We're good on that. And then yeah, I think that's the end of this video. It's not a super long one. I just really wanted to come on here and give you guys an update on what was going down, and I think I did that. So if you still have any more questions, you can always comment below. I respond to every comment. I wanted to keep this short, I say, as this hits 19 minutes. But yeah, that's everything. I'll see you guys in my next video. It'll be much more interesting. This is just a casual update video, and